The letter I has three main sounds in English. So let's see. The first sound is the short sound of the letter I. This happens when it is in a closed syllable like eat, sit. Next, we have the long sound. Now the long sound can be an open syllable. So when I is in an open syllable, I, tiger, tiger. So there is no consonant after the I in that syllable. So it makes a long sound, tiger. Next, magic E. When there is a E at the end, it tells the vowel to say its name. So I says I and E remains silent. Then there are various other combinations. For example, I-G-H together will make the sound I. L-I-T, light. Now we come to the schwa sound. This sound comes in an unstressed syllable in a word. For example, pencil. So it makes the sound pencil or sin. When the syllable is not stressed, it is unstressed, I will make the schwa sound. Don't forget to share this with a parent of a toddler and follow me for the best in phonics.